The next panel here is the text panel. This panel gives us the ability to add text on top of your image, below it, or directly above it. To enable this feature, first click on any one of these images and then click the photo text checkbox. Once you enable it, you'll notice a text box appear directly below your image. The text in this text box can be a number of things. First of all, you can select the option from this menu over here. Say for example, we want it to be the exposure, or perhaps the file name, and a number of other options. If you want to input your own custom text, you can do so by selecting the custom text option. Now you can type in anything you want. The offset controls how far above, over, or below the text appears. Right now, I have the below button activated. So that means when I adjust the offset, it's going to keep going further and further below the image. You could put it over, and now the text is on top of the image. It's a little bit difficult to see because it's black text on a dark background. But you can see that it's moving up and down over the image. Now the above option will place the text on top, directly above the image, and the offset controls how far out the text travels outside the image. We can also add page text by placing a check mark in the page text option. Once you do that, another text box appears over here, and you can type in whatever you like in this text box. You can also control the offset just like we did with the photo text, but this time the offset will take it right to the top of your container, to the bottom, depending on which way you go. And you can also use these buttons here to change the orientation of the text.